Hi, I am Siddharth. I am here to tell about polymethacrylate. Here you can see polymethacrylate. Methyl methacrylate is a monomer from which any polymethacrylates are made. Methacrylates are the derivative of methacrylic acid. These derivatives include the parent acid CH2, CCH3, COOH, and salts example salts example CH2, CCH3, COO2 minus and Na plus and esters which are examples CH2, CCH3, CO2, CH3 or methacrylate and the polymers of these species. Now the introduction. Methacrylates are common monomers in polymer plastics, forming the acrylate polymers. Methacrylate easily form polymers because the double bonds are very reactive. They are used as the monomer resin in some wine screen, repair kits, dental materials, and as bone cement for fixing prosthetic devices in orthopedic surgery. The term meth acrylate is frequently used as generic for acrylate and methacrylate. Methacrylate is used here to donate BOT methacrylate acid and its methacrylate ester derivatives. Here we can see the chemical form of methacrylate. Here we can see CH3, CH2, which is connected to the carbon, and again connected to the C double one O and OR. And here we can see the properties. Polymethacrylate are amorphous commodity thermoplastics of high transparency that can be easily proceeded and converted into many semi-finished products like films, rods, tubes, and sheets. The most commercially important methacrylate polymer is poly polymethyl methacrylate, which is also known as PMMA, and also and it can be called as plexiglass, lucite, arclite, and altuglass. And it is high volume amorphous thermoplastic with high temperature degrees 398 kelvins, good mechanical properties, and excellent weatherability. It is resistant to oils, alkenes, and diluted acids, but is not resistant to many polar solvents such as alcohols, organic acids, and ketones. It is also rather brittle and has low impact strength and fatigue resistance. Here, here the safety information. Consumer exposure to methacrylate monomers from finished products made with methacrylate based polymers is typically very low, and both oral and thermal exposures under normal use are considered to be negligible. In some projects, in some products like glues or cements, varnishes, or other finishes, consumers may be exposed to liquid monomers until the adhesive or coating cures or dries. For these materials, package labels provide safety information, including instructions to use the product in a well ventilated area and prevent skin contact. Exposure to methyl acrylate monomers is most likely to occur through worker inhalation and skin contact during production transportation. Methacrylate or here we can see the causes. Methacrylate are generally of low toxicity, have not been found to damage reproduction or harm the unborn child, and studies in workers exposed to methacrylates for more than 30 years indicating that there is no increased risk of developing cancer due to occupational exposure. Some methacrylates can cause skin sensitization or an allergic reaction or rash in people exposed to that chemical. Here and finally, here we can see the applications of methacrylate. Mainly, methacrylate can be mainly used in the range of industries and the applications including which we can use in electronics and we can use in computers and medical and dental application. Here we can see the image of medical and dental applications and paints and other surface coatings we can use as a coating for the surfaces. Acrylic cast and extruded sheets, acrylic resins. So finally, we can know what is the methacrylate and its components and chemical formula. By this, I am concluding my session. Thank you.